So welcome back everyone. As you can see by the snow on the lofts, it actually started snowing for the first time this year. Not too long ago, only like an hour or two maybe. Nice little view of the lofts when it's snowing. But yeah, I know it's been at least 4 days since I did the last video, but yeah, you'll be able to see a lot of change that way, so that's what we're gonna be doing. So obviously I always start off in the breeding loft. And yeah, as you guys know, the grizzle right here has the oldest young birds, so we're gonna start off with him again. Actually looks like those might be blue bars, but I don't see a lot of barring patterns. But yeah, probably going to be blue bars. Maybe a pencil, the little one. Not quite sure though. And then these guys, yeah, it's quite obvious. They're gonna be red bars, or mealies as they're called in. Yeah, can you move please? She's a really mean one. But yeah, it's gonna be quite obvious. The bigger one is going to be a little bit darker, it seems. Let's put them back. So yeah, nothing much to be seen there. This one might be ready to be ringed. Yeah, my dad still needs to ring this one. Or band this one, I should say. These seem to be someone's fighting. Yeah. So this is the blue bar hen and that checker right there with white flights, and obviously these guys have white flights as well. And this is gonna be just like the father, a checker with white flights, and this is probably maybe a blue bar or like a pencil type. But yeah, those guys look like this one's already biting. These might be checkers or blue bars, can't really tell yet. But yeah, unfortunately no grizzle. The grizzles are pretty hard to get through, so I think it's called a recessive strain or recessive color or something. But yeah, this is the old guy's hen, so it's actually not their kid, but I think it'll be a blue bar. Most of these have been banded. I just called my dad up. We were going to get some footage of him banding some other birds, but yeah, he just entered the store, so I might be able to, once he gets back, I'll add it at the end of the video, but we'll see. These are the two darkest birds we have. That one does have white flights. Let's see. This one doesn't. Nope. No white flights. So it's probably going to be like the mother. And then this one is also their kid, although this one adopted it, of course. But yeah, looks like it's gonna be the same coloration. Unfortunately, as I said, that's our best breeder, didn't have good eggs this year. Yeah, I did get a few tips in to cut the feathers, so we're gonna be doing that for the next round. And then down here is the mealy cockbird, one of the last old mealies we have. I believe it's either my grandfather's old strain or Alex Dux, if anyone knows him, but I'm not sure. So this might actually be a blue bar or a, oops, it's not in the shot. Might be a blue bar or a mealy. It's hard to tell at this point. Now these guys seem a little bit too small to tell. And then this one does have a really nice color. Well, that's the mother, of course. Oh, looks like they broke. They just broke their nest. But where's the piece? I don't know. But yeah, this one might have white flights. Yeah, I think this one's paired up to a blue bar as well. So I think one's gonna be a full blue bar and one's gonna be blue bar with white flights or pencil with white flights. So yeah, that's actually one of my favorite colorations. This one. And a little more information about that pigeon. That's the mother. She's half Acebird strain and half grizzle, I guess. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. So where is he at? Oh, he's right there. So yeah. Let's move upstairs now. I think the birds upstairs might be a little bit older. Oh, that's gonna be dangerous. We did actually go to, let me just turn the lights on. We did actually go to the store today to get some more grits, and I think we got some feed as well. But yeah, let's see if we still get some. Hold up. Oh, we got some peanuts in here. We do give that sometimes. Yeah. Natural, if you want to sponsor me, let me know. So these guys, again, these are the oldest birds on this loft. This one does have a red shine to it. This one's a little bit more blue, but I think they're both gonna turn out to be blue. Yeah, I believe one did have white flights. Oh, this one has only one white flight. This one has a small, and I believe there's one with, nope. Okay, so that one's got the white flight on the left wing and this one's got it on the right wing. Let's take a look at this guy. It's actually not his kid, as I said before. Yeah, his eggs got destroyed while fighting, so this is a kid from, I think, downstairs. The middle box, but I'm not sure. Gonna be another checker. Oh no, this is gonna be a pencil. It's quite clear, as you can tell. And then this guy. This is one of our grizzles. Although I'm quite sure this isn't one out of the big grizzle from downstairs. Might be one from the other. Oh, these look promising. They're actually really white. Yeah, these might be the same color as her, or him I should say. Yeah, that might be the case. Didn't expect it. They were really light the other day, but you couldn't really see any coloration. But yeah, this guy, can you move please? Actually one of our best birds. He's paired up to a daughter of our best breeder, which also flew really well. The mother of these kids have about 5 or 6 first placings in the club, of course, not on federation level. Yeah, so one has white flights and one doesn't. Probably gonna be blue bars both, or the, yeah, quite sure of it. This is also one of the ace pigeon strains. This one is, and that one is. I believe that one's actually this one's father, but I'm not sure. Yeah, looks like these are gonna be checks or dark pencils, like himself. This hen always sits like this with her tail down like that. I'm not sure why she does that, but yeah, it's usually not a good sign, but she's been doing this for about 3 weeks. And she was actually a decent bird herself. We'll see how she flies on nest later this year, so Jesus Christ. Yeah, this is the meanest one. Let me just try and grab it. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys could see it in that short of time, but yeah, this one's gonna be same as his father. Jesus Christ, that's a really mean one. He hits hard as well. And this guy, why is your wing sticking out like that? Folded up like this. I believe that's gonna be a blue bar. Then our best 2020 bird. Expecting a lot from these kids as well. Can you stop, please? Why is this one's really light? Oh yeah, I forgot he's paired up to that mealy right there. So this one's probably gonna be a mealy. It might have white flights, I'm not sure. And put your wing again, good again, like that. So this one's gonna be a pencil and a mealy. Might be a pencil mealy as well, or what it's called, and I'm not quite sure. Let's see. Can you move, sir? Thank you. So these look a little bit on the small side, but they might be like him. And this guy only had one good one, unfortunately. Yeah, by the looks of the tips of the feathers, it's gonna be another mealy like himself, or a red bar. This one actually did have a federation first placing, which we haven't had in quite a long time. Yeah, looks like it's gonna be the same as the father. Yeah, quite sure. So yeah. They like to sit on that ledge for some reason. But yeah. We did remove, as you can see, there used to be like these little blocks here. We did remove them because I think that caused some issues with these guys fighting, because one would fly on the other one's block that they have outside of the box, and yeah, I think that's what caused the issues. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little update video on the young birds. They're getting quite big now. We'll see if I get some other banding footage done today, but yeah, you'll see it at the end of this video if I do. So yeah, thank you again for watching, and as always, have a nice day. So as I said, I was going to add another clip of us and banding the birds, so that's gonna be this right now. Ja, een mooie bieden. So these are gonna be old enough to band the both of them, but I'm only going to film one because otherwise the video will be a little bit too long. So first he is putting the 3 little legs through that point the same direction, then he's gonna pull it through and stick the little pencil behind the toe and roll a little bit with it till the little toe pops out and the bird is banded. Ja, doet een andere nog maar, dan kan ik het zien. So since it went this fast, we're gonna go do another one. So like I said before, first the 3 longest toes, point them forward. The band needs to be upside down on the pigeon so you can read it when you hold it. Slide it over the knuckle, just and you can see the little split right there from the thumb toe, and then stick the pencil in the thumb and roll a little bit with it so it pokes through, and there we go. That's how you band the pigeon.